Hello everyone. Today we are going to be unboxing the 3 core components of every PC: the processor, motherboard, and RAM. The processor: Intel i9-10920X. Intel's 10th gen i9 processor is more powerful than the 9th gen equivalent at half the cost. But if you're looking for the best bang for your buck, AMD is the better option. The RAM: CORSAIR Vengeance RGB Pro. 32 GB of 3200 MHz DDR4 factory overclock memory. Addressable RGB lighting control via CORSAIR's ICUE software. And the memory modules come in white or black. We went with white as it makes the module stand out more on our mostly black motherboard. The motherboard: ASUS Prime X299-A. Supports Intel Core X series processors, equipped with an LG A2066 socket and Intel X299 chipset. ASUS Aurora Sync is present on the motherboard to provide RGB effects, and aesthetically, the streaks of white add an accent to the typical black motherboard look. Here's a sneak peek on what we are working on for our next video. Let us know in the comments below if you would like us to benchmark a dual 2080 Ti or an AMD spec rig in our next video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for everything IT.